This is Soldier Modernisation with Neil McSparron of DTC. Neil, thanks for talking to us today. Let's start off by asking you how things are changing for the environment of the dismounted soldier.
So Brian, thank you for the opportunity to answer the questions. And I was thinking back, I remember when I was younger I saw a lot of dismounted soldiers and they were carrying for radio equipment the equivalent of a small fridge on their back, which was in those days a Klansman radio, the British Army. The actual soldiers in the squad really didn't have any communication at all apart from their voice and their ears. And what we're seeing now more and more is a need to give positional awareness, short messaging, and soldiers they're much more smartphone savvy. So they're expecting in their work to be able to have a means of communicating that is equivalent to some form of cut-down smartphone. That positional awareness is critical in operations to reduce friendly fire incidents and to increase the effectiveness of the fighting force. So there's really, from the days of the fridge, one person in the squad being enabled from communication, it's a dramatic change. The danger is actually giving the soldier now too much information.
How are you helping them to achieve this?
Well, we would very much hope that we're helping them by providing them with IP-enabled device at the squad level. And again, we actually have a couple of products. So this one is more for Brian, for a tactical assault team, probably not for the squad level, because when you get to the squad, then it's really important to have something that isn't impairing their fighting ability. So we're looking at providing IP-enabled devices that would work with smartphone technology effectively, but not impair their fighting ability.
Yes, I mean, you were mentioning about the situation awareness being particularly important. Tell us a bit more about that.
So situation awareness, it's really key that a soldier is given the minimum of information that he needs regarding the position of the enemy, regarding the position of themselves, regarding the ability to message, and also just nowadays things like health information. Can you get the heartbeat? Can you get body temperature? What information can you get back to the commander that's critical to the fighting ability of the squad or to understanding the condition of the soldiers that you're commanding?
And this really all ties into a big talking point this week of machine-to-machine technology, doesn't it?
Yes, so machine-to-machine technology, we are effectively a generic communications pipe. And where DTC really is focused, I've shown you this squad, not squad radio, this is more of a SWAT team, that sort of paramilitary police. Really, we have a mesh radio that's as small as a matchbox. And the lightness, the low power consumption, and the robustness of the signal to get across the whole squad, that's key. And this sort of technology, with USB interfaces, with IP interfaces, with Ethernet interfaces, it becomes the pipe that enables seamless machine-to-machine communication.
And I guess that gives then the soldier the chance to carry other equipment, because overall you've lightened their load considerably.
It's absolutely crucial. A soldier really wants to fight. He needs to be focused on the task in hand. All we're providing is extra information to make him more effective. And the weight, the size of the battery, that is important. We can't impair, he can't have fewer bullets because he's carrying a bigger radio.
Fantastic. That was fascinating. Thank you so much for joining us today.
And thank you very much for the time.